So unfortunately, and I'm not showing you because it's not working worth a hill of beans, I'll just tell you the numbers. During the day, Verizon here, I do see the bars go up when I'm using the weBoost, but I was not able to browse when I'm tethered, and I wasn't able to browse when it wasn't with weBoost. It did appear that the speed test was like 0.3 megabits per second down and 0.1 megabits per second up. Without the weBoost, it was like 0.01 down and 0.01 up when I actually could get it to work. It seems at night it's working. Now I can at least use my computer. So I think Verizon has other issues than Signal in this town. I think they have undercapacity regarding how much bandwidth they can actually give, which Signal won't help. That's how it's acting. Like they don't have enough bandwidth to handle the load of customers they have on their system, regardless if you have the signal strength or not. Because there's sometimes when I put all this just right, I had 5 bars and I still couldn't browse. I could make phone calls, but still couldn't browse. So here's what I'm seeing without the weBoost connected tonight. And it's starting to look promising. I'm going to try to do a speed test. And keep in mind, Verizon in Delta, Colorado is worthless. It is terrible, terrible, terrible. So as you can see, nothing is happening. I'm going to go ahead and plug the weBoost back in. Give my phone, which I'm tethered to over there. Sorry for the mess. It's a huge mess because I was trying to fix the stupid sensor and all that garbage. The phone should be connected. Let's try it now. Alright, so here it is with the weBoost. Notice the page loads. And I can actually do a speed test. And as you can see, Verizon is like terrible here. I've also got the antenna as high as I could possibly put it on the camper for this test. I'm going to see if that has any impact. I've actually got more upload speed than download speed. That tells me that Verizon here is definitely having a bandwidth issue. So during the day, it still wasn't usable with or without the weBoost. At night, you can clearly see when there's less people using Verizon and they have more bandwidth available, the weBoost is getting the signal so that we can do uploads and downloads because they have enough bandwidth in addition to the signal that we're getting through. I'm going to test this with it shorter. I'm going to reinforce that connection there. And then here, I'm going to run the cord down and we'll go right into the reef area here. I just drilled a hole right here and it comes out right down there. So this is the 12 volt power adapter for the weBoost, and it just plugs into the adapter jack on your vehicle. So what I went ahead and did was add a 12 volt adapter jack in here so that I can plug this in. So we've got it plugged in, and then I went ahead and took the positive and negative that was going to, it's a full-time positive and negative that goes to the safety alert, which by the way, that one was defective. It goes off randomly, even if the propane tanks are completely shut off and there's no propane even running anywhere into this camper. That alert was defective and they decided to cut the wire instead of fixing it. Whoever that was, I don't think it was Rockwood. I called the dealer today. I said, I can't say it was you, but we need to get it taken care of. So I ordered one that will be here on Tuesday and they're gonna just reimburse me for it. So I got a switch here that I'm going to mount. Got the hole drilled. And this switch will turn off the power on and off for that socket, which right now is only going to be used to power the weBoost. So we should see a light here. I'm going to turn this on. So there you can see the LED lit up for the weBoost. Shows it's got power. I'll throw the switch. There we go. So this switch will be used to turn the weBoost off and on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put in, and I kind of like these because they're really pretty easy to mount. I just drilled a big hole. I put a washer on the back to make it have a bigger surface area so that it provides more strength. They're not as nice as some of the rocker switches, but they're really easy to put in. You use the big washer on both sides. It makes it nice and solid, And there we go. I have a power switch to turn off and on the weBoost. So that's done. And then I have these wires coming out, and this will power this is the negative for the sensor, and this will be the positive for the sensor. So I'll be able to clip this right all together and put the new sensor on when it comes in. The Rose Bowl. We're gonna do a little bit of bowling today. Does that sound fun, Robin? A little bit of bowling. Do you sense her? I don't even know if she was in the camera, but do you sense her joy? Robin's up.
You cannot record me.
I can't record you?
He's recording me, bro.
Jonathan.
You probably already know.
Dun 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 dun. Whoa, Robin.
That's a good start.
Pretty good for a blind girl.
Yeah.
I made a disclaimer because he's going to put it on YouTube.
I wish I could make that disclaimer.
Aw, Mom.
Let's go down.
Whoa. All right, so Mom tied with me. Cool. Good job, Mom. Hey, guys. Oh.
I took a picture of it.
Video. So here we are again at Needle Rock once again. This is Robin's first time here. What do you guys think of Needle Rock?
We like it.
It's a pretty cool place.
It's a good place for Delta.
Yeah, it's actually really nice for Delta.
For Delta, it's great.
And if I recall correctly, they have really awesome wings. So that'll be cool. Ghost wings.
It looks good.
Fireside burger. Baked potato.
Baked potato already cut up.
And steak. And what did you get? What'd you get, Tom?
Veggie burger and a mess.
That's a good looking veggie burger.
I know, huh?
That actually looks like real meat. What'd you get?
Flatbread has a bunch of veggies on